Hey guys, Glenn Murray, Affiliate Profit Pages. Merry Christmas. I've got a really cool review for you. This is a review of Sean Din's extremely limited Christmas bundle. If you found this, you probably Googled Shandin or Sean Din, Shandin. So this is an info product creator that is basically bundled all his creations for the last 2 years into this massive Christmas bundle that you can pick up for about $20. He does really cool education. He goes through everything. His info products are very, very well received. The strategies that he teaches are very, very good. They're solid. So it's a great. This is a great thing to pick up for 2022. So I highly recommend grabbing it. First thing though, make sure you hit subscribe. Let's show you what is. I'm going to show you what the bonuses are first. We'll go through the bonus page and then I'll go through the sales page. There's no video for this because it's a bunch of products that are sort of put together. So the first thing we're going to look at here. Come on, jump over. All right, so this is the Christmas bundle. So let's go down to. I'll go get the sales page, but first I want to give you what you're getting in the bonuses. So you're going to get Insurgency, which is an amazing call to action software that's going to help you really convert your affiliate stuff. This is really important because some of the stuff that Sean teaches is about just marketing, local marketing and stuff. And if you are doing any sort of local marketing or doing any Fiverr work, Upworks, that kind of stuff, maybe that's a side gig of yours along with your affiliate marketing. How to make an app in less than 25 minutes is a very important tool to have. This is my favorite training that we're putting in our bonuses for the last couple of days. Learn how to get better conversions, guys. This is a must-have. So if you've maybe you've picked this up from my other sales stuff, but I want to make sure that you have this. If you already have this, message me. I'll see if I can hook you up with another bonus out of there. Continuum, of course. This is an amazing program, and the special vendor bonuses that Sean has put into his package, and you're going to get all of them on there. So this is the bonuses, but really the real bonus of this, guys, is the product itself. So let's pop over to the Christmas bundle, and we'll go through it one by one. So this offer is extremely limited. It's only available till Christmas. It's a 99% discount on all the products. These are all his best 2021 money-making products. They're all evergreen. These products are super hot. And inside is an opportunity for you to actually take his products that he made and basically make them your own. He does a one-on-one coaching with you. He does all the great stuff. So the products are, these are all the products that he's going to throw in for this $20 fee, I believe it is. $5 Monster, Secrets of Advertising House. This came out, this did very well. This came out not too long ago, and it's a great product. If you can get your hands on licensing that, and you'd want to send that out to your list, it's a great way to make some money with your list. Blue Hustle, no complicated stuff. Once set up, runs on autopilot. So that's another great training he does on how to drive free traffic to affiliate programs. Listia, how to basically go from zero to profits done and crack the code. No paid ad, no video editing, no funnels, no techie stuff. Simply a powerful system to online income. He's got an explainer video pack that he's got 10 high quality done for you animated explainer videos. Very, very cool. Confessions of a Web Design Consultant. And this is where I was talking about, where if you want to do web design consulting, maybe you're doing some Fiverr gigs, Upworks, this is really, really good ammo for your business, guys. And with that, being able to create the app is going to really help you out on that. There's also the Blue Hustle, how to start a simple, profitable online business in 2021 from the comfort of your house. So, and again, guys, he does the training. He goes start to finish. You're not going to have, nothing's going to be left out. Social lead attraction. Forget paying thousands of dollars to Facebook. Opportunities all around you. He shows you how to get those leads from Facebook and convert them using our training as well on converting. Send and Profit, another great. This is all about email marketing. Very, very cool email business tool. The money code, again, this is, I went through this training exclusively. This is a great, great training. It's a must-have, and you're going to get that in this bundle. No limit. I don't know. This one's never been so easy to make money online. So again, this is going to be a traffic driving, no limit. Green Mafia, lazy assistant ever. Setup time 23 minutes. High quality step-by-step training, and one of a kind Facebook cheat sheet. So you get the Facebook cheat sheet. You get the epic rinse and repeat business model, and you're going to get all these products for a one-time price of, I think it's $20, guys. So that's definitely what you want to be picking up. Now, let me jump back on here. Sorry, guys, my computer. There I am. All right. So yeah, this is a great bundle for Christmas. Pick it up, do it when you've got some downtime over the holidays. Go through some of the training and then hit the ground 2022, hit the ground running, implementing these strategies, because these strategies are known to make money. They're really solid strategies. And like I said, I did a review earlier today or yesterday on a product that didn't have any training, and it was sort of sad because I really wanted to like the product, but it had no training. So I said, I don't know what to do with the product. These are all training products that will help you make money. And what it's going to do is really going to wrap your head around what is possible. Now, going back to the bonus crate, I want to show you what is in the OT, and those are the one-time offers. So if you do decide to pick it up, the front end is $20, and you're going to get all of those businesses or all of those trainings. Now the upgrade is $97. I do not know if there's a downsell on this, but this is you get all the upsells. So you get all the OTOs and all the products. You also get a one-on-one Skype or Zoom coaching call to jumpstart your business. So you get a 45-minute coaching call with Sean. He also gives you 10 hand-picked PLL products from the Golden Bundle. These are products that you're able to give away as lead magnets or sell or whatever you want. He basically doing it all for you there. Explainer Video Express, easiest way to rapidly boost your income pros, and 10x to accelerate. So this is a really simple bonus, guys. And then for $37, if you don't want to pick that up, you could pick up the multi-license rights for 4 of the best-selling products. So you get the reseller rights to Confession, Listia, $5 Monster, and Blue Hustle. So those are the ones that you want to be picking up. So guys, where am I here? It's a very, very cool Christmas bundle. I highly recommend getting it. Like I said, I really like Sean's trainings. It's complete. You don't have to worry about like I didn't get anything. So these are complete trainings, and they're really, really worth it. So if you want it, click the link below. You'll see you'll go to the bonus page, and then from the bonus page, just click on the link, and you'll be taken to it. Now, if you're not interested in this, or like Glenn, I just want to learn how to make money online. Well, this is for $20. This is a great way to do it. But I also have a free gift for you. If you don't want it, scroll to the bottom of the bonus page. I'll give you my 6-figure blueprint checklist. Just grab it. It's free. This is exactly what I do every single day. There's no secrets. I just tell you exactly what I do from day to day. And basically, it's just a checklist on how to do it. Now, if you need help, reach out, message me. If you want to know what tools I use, they're in there, all that kind of stuff. So this has been my, what are we going to call it? The Christmas, extremely limited Christmas bonus review, a little bit of a tutorial walkthrough of it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and definitely pick this up, guys. This is a really, do yourself a favor, give yourself a $20 Christmas gift, and grab this product. Well, all those products in the list. And if you do, grab the reseller rights too. That $37 reseller rights, that's killer. And if you need some coaching, guys, for $100, coaching with an online someone that's making a good amount of money online, it's worth it for a 45-minute call for that $100 plus all the other bonuses he throws in there. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I got for you. I will see you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe and grab the product down below. It'll definitely make 2022 a great year for you. Cheers.